อ้อมผมเนี่ยมึงรู้จักไหมว่าคือ
Never went down to Georgia, he was looking for a soul to steal. He was in the bind cause he was way behind and he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man's song on the fiddle and playing it hard, and the devil jumped upon a hickory stump and said, boy, let me tell you what, I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I better fiddle of gold against your soul cause I think I'm better than you. Boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet and you're gonna regret cause I'm the best there's ever been. Johnny, you loosen up your bow and play your fiddle hard, cause hell broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. But if you win, you get this shiny fiddle made of gold. But if you lose, the devil gets your soul. The devil opened up his case and he said, I'll start the show. And fire flew from his fingertips as he rose up his bow. And he pulled the bow across the strings and it made an evil hiss. And a band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this. Right there, let me show you how it's done. Follow the mountains, run, boys, run. The love in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the red pan, picking out dough. Ready as a dog by no time, no. Go. The devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat, and he laid that golden fiddle on.
ดูครับแม่ข้างของเราน่ารักมากครับผม
I done told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best that's ever been. And he played. Follow the mountains, run, boys, run. The love of the house of the rising sun. Drinking in the red pan, picking out dough. Ready as a dog by no time, no.
And 2, 3.
รถสมบูรณ์ด้วยครับเดี๋ยวเจอแน่